The community here is fabulous. Here we are in Punta Cana and getting to meet people that I see on a Zoom call. You know, everybody welcomes you here with open arms. You know, we're all a big family here. Half of my team is in the States, I'm in Canada, and so being able to meet these people face to face and be social with them, we all link arms, and it doesn't matter what team you're on here. You know, you can talk to a sideline on a different team and everybody's willing to help you. You know, we're not in competition with each other here. You know, it's just a big happy family and we want to see each other succeed. And of course, our CEOs are fabulous, right? They are always looking after us and, you know, rewarding us at all levels, you know, and based on the efforts that you put into this business, that's where you're going to see the rewards.